Have you ever wanted to live in a community that's close to everything yet feels nice and secluded? Audubon at Feather Sound is that community. Located in Feather Sound, it's just minutes from Tampa, the airport, downtown St. Petersburg. It's surrounded by shopping and dining. It's an amazing location. This community also has swimming pool, tennis courts, pickleball courts, a weight room. It's a great place to live, and you can live here now at our newest listing located at 2400 Feather Sound Drive, number 621. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit on the second floor. It's got great views of this golf course. Let's go inside and check it out.